Good morning. I just got back from Walmart and picking up a few groceries I needed. I've got me some eggs, and I'm going to make a pineapple fruit cake. Well, no, juice cake, pineapple juice cake. So I got that, and I got some milk, and I got some brown and serve sausage, and I needed some Tide. Need some bread. And I bought 5 of these. I put 3 of them in the deep freeze out in the garage. Then I got me some ham. And then I got some frozen pineapple juice. And I ordered bedding for one of my quilts, and it'll be here today. So I'm going to end this now. When it come in, I'll video it, let you see it. I've been quilting day and night. So I'll bring you back. All right, there's the cotton bedding I got in from Walmart. It just come in. I ordered it yesterday and it got here today. If you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. Thank you so much for watching.